So my design didn't turn out the way I envisioned, and it is my fault. Usually when you are designing something of this caliber, you have to do multiple fittings, but that means more time and more money. And I did not want to slow down production or add to my production cost. So I blindly gave everything to my tailor, and the jackets did not fit at all, and it was way more fitted than what I wanted. But I will say the tailor and pattern maker, they did an incredible job with the construction. But just a lesson learned as I try to continue to move forward in this. But I'm on my way to the tailor now because we're going to take the jacket apart and try to see if we can get it to fit a bit better, and hopefully I will be able to take it to Paris with me. Just got through the fitting. We were able to get it closer to my original design, but there's still a bit of a gap there. I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know if designing is for me anymore because this is just a lot and I feel like I'm falling so flat. So today is the day we fly to Paris. We go later tonight. This morning I actually had a meeting with a potential agency in Miami. Don't really know how it went, but we'll see. I still have a little bit of packing to do, but I will say I was able to meet with my tailor yesterday and we were able to fix the jacket a little bit more, and I feel like it looks a lot more like my design. Whereas before it looked like 50% of my design, now I feel like we got it to 80%. Would love to get the jacket remade exactly the way I envisioned, but just don't have the time. And I still have a lot of learning to do in this, with just learning how to communicate what I want and then also understanding fabrics and materials better. It's been a little bit of a learning curve since I haven't been designing since college for the most part. But I'll check in when we get to the airport. So we just arrived in Paris. It is about 2:27 p.m. We have to wait probably like another 20 minutes so we can head to go pick up our key for the apartment we're staying in. I'm really excited to show you guys, but I'll check in as soon as we get settled. So we just arrived to our apartment. This is going to be our place for the next week. It reminds me of when I used to live here, how the apartments would be, but this one is extremely spacious and it's really nice. We have 3 bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom. Then here is the second bedroom. This one has a little fireplace spot. And then this is the third bedroom. And then we have the shower. It also has a tub, double sinks, and a washing machine. Yeah, we're gonna get settled and then start strolling the city. Thank you. It's hot. It's hot. It's really hot. So today is shoot day. I just finished my hair and makeup. I got a voltage converter for my flat iron, but it's making a bit of a weird sound, so I couldn't do my hair exactly the way I wanted it to, but it'll work for now. If I had more of the freedom right now to kind of do my hair in the way I wanted to, I would have done just something a bit more unique or different with my hair. But because I'm modeling, I have my set look, and these photos are also going to be used for my portfolio for us to present to clients. So I just wanted to keep everything just kind of minimal, simple. We're going to be taking pictures around the apartment because I wanted the look to feel like a Parisian home, and then we'll probably just do a couple outside. But I'm itching to get the shoots done because we're going to go fragrance shopping afterwards. But I'm going to put on my first look and we're going to get started. So in our third bedroom, I have all of the outfits laid out, and this is going to be my little changing room, just to keep it separate from my personal room. Okay, the first look is my first design. Let me try to find a spot where I want to shoot this first one. And here is my mood board I made that we're going to try to mimic. Thank you, God. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Let's just do some tests. Yeah, like the lean. Oh, that's so good. Let me come back this way a little wider. That's extreme wide. Okay, we just finished the shoot. I am beyond happy with how everything came out. Ashley is truly an incredible photographer. I'll make sure to have her info linked. And now we're gonna head out to go perfume shopping. It's about 4:30ish and the shops close about 7. And then afterwards, we're going to do a river cruise. But this is kind of my little outfit for today. And this is just a jumpsuit from the Zara sale. I have some shoes from TikTok. Ashley actually has the same ones in brown. And then I'm going to do probably this bag that I made. Soft too. I also like very jammy, fruity, sweet,
Okay.
but then still warm.
Okay.
If that makes
Okay.
sense.
Yeah. Something fruity, warm, and a bit sweet.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you wear usually?
I like 3 rotations right
Okay.
now.
That's pretty good. Have good taste.
I like this one.
Yeah.
What's the price point for that one?
215.
Okay.
But this is a 50 ml.
Okay.
It's just the tester for the engine.
Got it. So we got lasagna. I'm gonna try it for the first time. We got a mosquito. We got perfume all over ourselves. Yeah. I mean, bees have been following us everywhere, but we smell amazing. Food tastes so much fresher than in the US. All right, we just got back in from the boat tour. It was so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go through a few of the photos from earlier today to do my selects, and I'm really excited. And then just gonna call it a night and get up early in the morning to do some shopping. Import these. So this is how you do it. So when you go through these, every one you can do just an arrow here. Okay. And then it'll stop once it's done. Now, this button right here, if you hover over it, flag as pick. So you click the one that you like. Okay. And it'll turn white. Grayed out is not there, okay? So can I like go through them, flag them, and then look at the flag folder and then narrow them down from the flag folder? Okay. So when you go to the flag folder, then you can uncheck the flag and it'll go back to just the main. You gonna put on your show? Oh, do you want to watch on my laptop? Do you like watch TV when you eat? Okay. I don't know how long it takes. I don't know. I always have to watch something when I eat.